Hello everyone, and welcome to another Rohit Rohila YouTube video. Today's episode, what I want to talk about is friendships and the importance of speaking up if you feel like a friendship is not where you want it to be. And not necessarily with friendships, but a lot of relationships in general. I had a friend, Kamal Kalra, who reached out to me about a week ago and said, "Hey, are you doing anything on Monday? Because I really need to talk to you about something important." And so absolutely, we got together, and this whole week I've been racking my brain trying to figure out, what's going on? Like, is he okay? Does he need to vent, or what's going on in his life? And so we get together, and he's nervous, and he says, "I've never done anything like this before." And he starts off by telling me about my importance to him and my importance in his life. And then at the end of the day, he said, "I feel like, especially in the past few weeks, maybe I've done something to upset you. I feel that the bond that we once had isn't as strong as it used to be, and I want to clear the air because this relationship is that important to me." And that meant the world to me. And I know it was uncomfortable for him because I've been in that same spot where I've talked to other people about my relationship with them and the friendship and the direction that it's going in. And so the very first thing I did as soon as he got done talking is I got up and I gave him a big hug and I said, "Just know I have no ill feelings towards you. Everything that you are feeling is important. But please know at the end of the day, you didn't do anything to upset me, and let's talk about this, and thank you for bringing it up." And I want to talk about that because it's so important. There are a lot of friendships that we have that meant the world to us once upon a time, and just little by little, you go from talking every day to talking once a week to once a month to, I keep in touch with them all the time. Last time I saw them was about 6 months ago. Now, in this digital age where we can text people all the time, we're checking Facebook and Instagram and Snapchat, all that kind of stuff. Yeah, it's true. I know what they've been up to for 6 months, but have we really communicated in the past 6 months? And the chances are these days, no, that's not happening. And 6 months might seem like a blink of an eye, but it's really a long time if you think about it. I've gone a half a year without talking to that person. So what this video is all about is if you have a friendship, a relationship. Now, this could be friends, this could be family, it could be anybody, but someone who is important to you. If you really value their importance in your life, step up, talk to them. It's going to be uncomfortable for you. It's going to be uncomfortable for them. But at the end of the day, what are you really trying to save? When Kamal talked to me, he was working on saving our friendship. And he even said that, and that meant a lot. But because he took a time out, came up, said, "I really need to talk to you." We did, and now we're better because of it. For guys, it's going to be a lot harder because we're not used to talking about our feelings, especially with other guys. It's just not the way that we were raised. We were made to be all macho and stuff like that. But come on, what's more important here? Looking good or strengthening relationships? Take a look at your friends. Is there someone that you want a better relationship with? Or maybe you've seen that you guys are kind of drifting apart? Do something about it. It's going to be a little awkward for you. It's going to be a little awkward for them. But at the end of the day, they will feel so honored that you took the time to talk to them about their importance in your life. Thank you very much.